Oh god.
You have 15 minutes left.
Really? What?
I've never smelt a smelling salt. Y'all said to give it a try? Take a try? Okay.
What would you rate down the scale of 1 to 10?
What the fuck is that?
It's our new fragrance we're coming out with.
No, seriously, what the fuck is that?
Our new fragrance.
What the fuck is that?
Our new fragrance.
John, come up front right now.
Oh, we need to smell it real quick?
I'll give it a sniff.
All right, here. So our new company, So it's our world's strongest smelling sauce. This helps you lift weights.
No kidding.
You know what you think, bro?
What the fuck is that?
It smells so big.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
You good, brother?
Ooh.
I did not do
Jesus Christ, bro. Get the phone out of here.